Okay guys, so here's what I've got. This is what I just sold. It's an iRig mixer, and this is made, from what I understand, as a mixer for iPhones. So when I bought this, I only paid $2.63 for this thing, and I didn't know for sure if it would work or not. But I got this from a thrift store, and they put on them untested, that type of thing. But they did have a power outlet, so I could go over and see if it would power on. And it did. It powered up, so I bought it. So to sell this, I'm always completely upfront and honest with my buyers. And I said that it does power on, and I did a video on it. And that is the best way to promote an item like this. They allow you to do a short video, and I did a video showing me plugging it in and powering it up. And that gives confidence to buyers. So that is the best way to promote an item like this. So that video is out there, and they watched it, they agreed that they would take it, and it sold. So, and I'm going to show you all of those details of the sale here in a little bit. First up, what we want to do is we want to pack it. And people ask me why I like to use paper tape. And I'm going to show you, when I say paper tape, I'm talking the water activated tape. And I'm going to show you why, and it will make a lot of sense to you. So anyway, this is the item that's sold. And now let's get it packed up, and then I will show you all of the figures and even what the buyer paid, what eBay kept from me, and then what was actually deposited into my account. You will be surprised. So let's get it packed up. Now, the reason that I like to use paper tape, as you can see, this was an Amazon Prime box. And their tape is very difficult to even try to pull off. And I don't even mess with that because I have a paper tape machine. So what that means, and I'm going to speed this up and show you, I'm going to cover this up so it becomes an eBay box. Okay, so I'll finish taping the rest of it up, and I'll show you the finished product. But right now you can see by using that paper tape, it covers all of the Amazon labeling. So now I'll show you how I plan on packing this iRig. Now, anytime that there's electronics involved, I like to use bubble wrap. In fact, I have bought some sleeves, bags of bubble wrap that has an adhesive on it. So that's what I'm going to do with this, is I'm going to put it in the bag, and then I'm going to completely wrap it around the item, pull the adhesive label, this up where you can see it, hopefully. And that keeps it from moving around much in the box, but on top of that, I like to use craft paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up some craft paper here. And the best way to buy this, guys, is in a roll. It makes things so convenient. I bought a roll, and I'm so glad that I did. And on these different things, I'll put links in the description below where you can pick up your own shipping materials. The main thing here is I don't want any movement. Cut some of this down. Yeah, I don't want anything shuffling around in the box. And of course, I put my card in and people ask me about these cards. And again, I will put that information below. And now let's get the thing finished taped up. So now we're all set. I'm going to grab a tape measure, and this package is 11 by 8 by 4. 11, 8, 4. And now let's check the weight. And it's 1.4. We're just going to say 1 pound, 8 ounces. Now we're going to jump over onto the computer and finish this up. Okay, so we're over here to get our shipping label. And here's the item. And here's the amounts that I put in when I listed it. 1 pound, 7 ounces, which is fine. The dimensions of the box, the length is a little bit different. It's 11. Now down here in the bottom right hand corner, you can see how much they estimated it was going to cost me. $7.67. And right above it here, you can see what they said that the buyer was going to pay, and he did pay $12.80. So now that I changed this dimension, let's see if this number changes. And to do that, you just click off to the side. And it did not. It stayed the same. So we're going to purchase the shipping label. And we're going to print it. Okay, so my label's printed. Now we're going to go back and take a look at the total order. Okay, so here we are. Now take a look at this. Right here is the item in my custom labels where I put in what bin it's in. It's in bin B12, and it came from a thrift store, and I paid $2.63 for it. And it now $2, guys, don't miss this, $2.63, and I sold this item for $58.50. So over here, let's take a look. The buyer paid $58.50, then he paid $12.80 for the shipping and his local sales tax, which brought the total to $76.11. Now, move on down. What I earned. You take that total, $76.11, and carry it down. And here it is, $76.11. The sales tax they take, because they are remitting it, eBay remits it. Now the selling cost, the transaction fees, the one everybody worries about, is right here, $7.52. Now notice my shipping label. The amount that I paid is right here, $7.67. My total order earnings is right here. It's $56.11. Now guys, stop for a minute here and take a look again. Up here, $58.50 is what I was asking for the item, and $56.11 is what they deposited into my account. So as you can see, we're talking $2.39. For $2.39, I was able to list this item on the eBay platform, promote that item by using a video, and took $2.63 out of my wallet and replaced it with $56.11. Guys, it's a no-brainer to resell on eBay to boost or supplement your income. You can follow in the playlist of everything eBay and see all different types of tips and tricks. But hey, like and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video.